Hi friends, welcome to our channel Think. Let's discuss the most recent incident happening now in India, the locust attack. Do you know what is locust? Locust is a collection of certain species of short-horned grasshoppers that have a swarming phases. Locusts eat the food that the farmers grow and leave the farms devastated. Are you aware how many species of locust are there in the world? If yes, please comment below. There are 10 species of locusts that are known to the world. Here are some pics. Now let's see the faces of locust. Locust has two faces, solitary phase and gregarious phase. In solitary phase, it behaves independently, repelled from other locusts, it walks slowly with creeping, active mostly at night, diet is restricted and it cannot fly. While in gregarious phase, it behaves as a cohesive unit, extremely rapid, active mostly at day and the diet is broad. Let's understand what locust swarms are and how they damage our crops. Locusts are the insects that travel in large swarms that can travel up to 150 kilometers in a day depending upon the wind speed. Locust swarms devastate the crops and cause major agricultural damage which can lead to famine and starvation. A small farms of the desert locust eats on an average as much as food as about 10 elephants, 25 camels or 2,500 people. In 1875, the US reported a swarm estimate to be 1,98,000 square miles or 5,12,817 square kilometers. Locust attacks are not new and they are here since ages. Locust attacks have been mentioned in almost all the ancient texts, right from wall paintings on the ancient Egyptian pyramids to the sacred books. Ancient Greeks talked about the locust attacks and so did the Sanskrit poems. India has witnessed several locust plagues and upsurges since 1812. Now it's the time to discuss the extent of damage locusts caused during the previous attacks. As per the Union Agriculture Ministry data, locusts damaged the crops worth Rs 10 crores during the 1926-31 plague cycle and during the 1940-46 and 49-55 locust plague cycles have caused the damage which was estimated up to Rs 2 crores and Rs 50 lakhs of damage was estimated in the last locust plague between the cycle of 1959 to 62. As we all know, there has been locust attack reported previously and wondering what is the difference this time? Then here is the answer. Most of the attacks by the locust farms in India since 1993 have been localized to Rajasthan. But this time the favorable weather conditions have facilitated the locusts to travel from Rajasthan to Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and even Maharashtra and reach Karnataka now. Here comes the visual of the latest locust attack. The locust farms that are currently attacking the Indian crops are bred and matured in Iran and Pakistan's Baluchistan. But larger swarms that bred in Horn of Africa and parts of Arabian Peninsula due to abnormal weather conditions caused by two cyclones in 2018 are most likely to move towards India soon. Is worst yet to come? What do you think? Please comment below. Everyone is thinking, why should we care about the locust attacks? Here is the answer. If the locust attacks of this proportion continues, the insects will wipe out tons of food grains and vegetables which are meant for human consumption and lead us to famine and starvation. Here are the possible solutions to survive the locust attacks. Using the pesticides to kill the locust, spraying the pesticides through air, high volume sounds can also scare them. Pakistan has come up with a simple and easy solution and it has already been implemented in a district of Okra. They have requested the farmers to capture the locust and use it as a chicken feed. Locust has a high protein content and it is very healthy for consumption. Some countries use it to prepare some dishes, and it is also allowed for human consumption as well. Please subscribe our channel Think and press the bell icon for notifications. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section.